Hello students, we discuss today constructor in C++. I share information in the form of video what is constructor in C++. We betterly know that a class contains two members. First one is member function and other one is data member. And member function is a member of class and data member is also member of the class, and constructor is a one characteristic of your class, that is any class based program have contain a constructor as a hidden, that is if constructor is not used in program, and then by default any class based program automatically initializes constructor by default compiler. It is keep in mind whenever you use a constructor and whenever you not use a constructor. Whenever not used by default it assumes that the class based program as a constructor, and whenever you use a constructor, then what do you mean by that constructor? A constructor is a special member function of the class. Why it is called as a special member function of class? Because name of the constructor function is same as a name of the class, that is constructor name and class name both are same, and the constructor is initiated or invoked whenever an object of its class is created. That means whenever you object is created, that constructor is invoked, that is called as an instance of class. It is called constructor because it constructs the values of data member of class, and constructor cannot have never any return type such as int, char, float, double or even void. It is called as a constructor. Then question is arises such that whenever there are a member function, and why you need a constructor. The constructor is a hidden member of the class, while member function is not hidden. It is generated by programmer. It is generated by programmer, that is it is defined by programmer, and constructor is hidden member of the class. And what we have difference in between member function and constructor? The member function is a member of the class, that means it is declared and defined in class body, but constructor function is also member of the class, but its name is same as a class name, but your member function cannot have a name of class name, and member function both are different. Any member function must have return type, that is int, float, double, void, they have any one type, but constructor does not have any return type, that is int, float, char, double. This cannot be used as a return type, even void you cannot be used. Any member function have access specifier such as private, public, protected. That means the member function of class is specified as private, protected, public, but constructor function must be specified as a public section only. The member function cannot access automatically when objects are created. That means member function is accessed by user by giving object name, that is object name, then dot operator, then member function name, then your member function is invoked. But constructor is initializes or invoked when object is created. Then what are the rules for the constructor? The constructor name and the class name both are same. They do not have any return type, not even void, and therefore they cannot have any return values. That means the constructor cannot have return type int, char, float, you does not be used, or even void you cannot be used. they cannot be static or virtual. That means they have not a static or virtual keyword. Constructor cannot be inherited. They should be declared in public section only. The constructor is invoked automatically when the objects are created, and constructor construct the values of data member of the class. Then after discussing these contents, we are going to practical. We are going through practical for the how you remember the rules for the constructor. So I here placed a practical demo class. There is some example is one class name. Then I have here a member such as A and member again B. Then constructor is only a public section example. I tell that generally a constructor have name of the class and constructor name, both are the same. Here I mentioned here a constructor. This is called as a constructor. Some rules are we discussed. The name of the class and the constructor name both are same. It does not have any return type, int, char, float or even void, and it is only in public section. It cannot be a static, it cannot be virtual, or it cannot be inherited. How it will be, I will be explain here. And it is again constructor is invoked whenever you create a class, whenever you create the object. Suppose here is a void main and I create a object such like this example and x, then constructor is invoked or not, we will be checked here. Declaration terminated incorrectly here. Constructor syntax is as like this, run, and whenever I have give a values such like this, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, then cout /n a is equal to a /n b is equal to value of b. See here, I tell that a name of your class and constructor both are same. Whenever here I will be change a name of this constructor as different name, then it cannot be called as a constructor. Then again I tell that a constructor is only public section. Whenever I will be defined as like this constructor, whenever any access specifier cannot be given, then by default it is a private. Then here you seen that a warning or error as like this, a constructor is not accessible. That means a constructor is accessible in only public section. That is whenever I give access specifier as a private, then again this have give a error message as like this, a constructor is not accessible. That means you say that a constructor is only a public section. That means whenever I will be mentioned as public, then and then only constructor is executed. This is the first rule. Then name of the constructor and name of the class both are same. This is again one rule. Then here whenever I give a return type for the constructor, then it give a error message. That means constructor cannot have any return type. That means a constructor cannot contain a return type such as int, double, float, char, etc., or even void. Whenever I use as like this return type void, then again it give a error. That means student, in this situation, remember that a constructor is only public section and constructor cannot have return type, and name of the class and constructor both are same. Then again I tell that a constructor is invoked automatically when object is created. That means here I create a object, that means instance of class is created, instance of class, that is object X is created, then constructor is invoked automatically. That is, there is no need for the constructor for accessing with object name and dot operator. But member function is accessible by object and member function, dot operator and member function. But in constructor situation, it is automatically initiated. Whenever I cannot created any object as like this, then constructor cannot return anything. That means here you cannot give a object. That means I create object, then and then only a constructor is invoked and it construct the values of data member. Thus we can seen by practically what are the rules for the writing of constructor. Thus I hope all we will be understand. So we will be stop here, and thank you for watching this video. And whenever you like this video, you can subscribe it or like or share it. Thank you for watching this video.